You might have seen a lot of videos recently on YouTube about how to make money with AI, with ChatGPT, starting an AI automation agency, an AI lead generation agency, and whatnot. But here's the thing, most probably it's not going to work. In this video, let's explore what's flawed with this idea of making money with ChatGPT. Everyone seems to be talking about it, and I know I'm a little late to the party, but here are my 2 cents on why I think most advice is useless and also 3 actual ways of making money with AI that do work. So let's start with using ChatGPT for YouTube video idea generation and script writing. It's often marketed as a one-click solution that can do all the work for you. That cannot be further away from the truth. ChatGPT or any other AI generated content, at least in 2023, sounds too robotic. It's like whenever you see a post that is written by AI, you instantly know that it's an AI written post. It lacks that human feeling and doesn't hit as hard as human written content. Alright, the next way usually involves writing code with ChatGPT. Some experts even go as far as to tell you that you can make full-fledged apps and web apps using ChatGPT, which is wrong. It's just functional enough for them to be able to claim that you can make apps using ChatGPT and it does work. See, now I get that this is still the early versions of what might be possible using AI someday, but at least for now, it's not a very feasible way if you are looking to make money with AI. The full picture is that in 1 in a million cases, someone might be able to get some form of economic value from ChatGPT directly using either AI generated code or content. But the 3 methods that I'm going to talk about now are far more feasible for you to make money using AI today. The first one is the services path. That is, you can offer some kind of AI services to someone else. The second path usually involves building a product around an AI tool that is already existing in the market. Essentially, just an OpenAI API wrapper in most cases, but if it makes you money, then why not? And third, which is the best and probably the easiest way, which is also the most used one, but the least talked about method, is, we'll talk about that later. I'll save that one for the end. Okay, so the first way is to sell your services to someone as an AI expert. In fact, you don't even need to be an expert. You just need to be more tech savvy than the person you're trying to sell your services to. Here's an example. Text generation using AI is quite easy, so let's skip it. But image generation or video generation using AI is not that easy, at least for most people. That is actually quite a task for someone who doesn't know how to use tools like Stable Diffusion. Honestly, ChatGPT is pretty easy to use, but tools like Stable Diffusion have a steep learning curve. You need to have some knowledge in order to produce a good output. AI Reels are trending right now. There are tons of people like social media influencers, generally in the field of entertainment like dancers, who want to jump in this AI wave, but they don't want to, or they don't have the time to manually make these AI reels. That is where you step in. You tell them, I'll make such reels for you, I'll take care of the prompting and the actual generation, which takes a lot of computing power and time, and I'll charge you X for that. And there are plenty of people who will be happy to pay you X. They have the money, but they lack the technical expertise, which is where you step in and bridge the gap for them. Alright, the next way is to build a product. And you don't need to build the actual AI yourself. You can use already existing tools like Stable Diffusion, which is free and open source, or the APIs of already existing AI tools. This method requires you to have coding knowledge to be able to do this. So what you can do is, let's say you take Stable Diffusion and fine tune it for a specific purpose. But firstly, what is fine tuning? Fine tuning makes that you take an already existing AI model and make it better by training it with more training data for a very particular niche use case, like architectural designs or something to let you try on clothes virtually. The possibilities are endless. Now, a lot of people will be like, but there's no moat, there's no defensibility, anyone can copy you. Yes, they can and they will. But that's how this works. You just need to build fast and you need to ship fast and charge people for the value that you're providing them. Don't worry too much about defensibility right now. Worry about moving fast. Move fast and break things. Fix them and ship something better, something useful, something that people will be willing to pay you for. I'll take a moment to be honest with you and admit that I was in fact stuck in this trap. I have been working on such a product. It's a tool that helps you create engaging short form content quickly. But for a while, I've not been shipping. I've not been doing the work and thinking, oh, someone is already doing this. This is too easy. There will be a competitor eventually. Someone who will do this better than us, and yes, it will happen. And that is exactly why you should move fast if you want to go the product route. Alright, the third and probably the best and the easiest way to make money using AI right now is to tell others how to make money using AI. Make a course on how to use ChatGPT or this or that or any other AI tool, or you can sell ChatGPT prompts, or make YouTube videos about how you can earn through ChatGPT like this one and earn the ad revenue. I am not earning through this video, by the way. My channel is not monetized yet. Please subscribe. That would mean a lot to me. The crux of this method is to have extremely good sales skills. Do you need technical knowledge? No. It's good to have, but no. You don't absolutely need the technical knowledge yourself. That's the harsh reality, but yes, it works. Anything that you can find in a paid course online today is something that you can find on the internet for free. You just need to convince people that it's a good idea to buy some information from you that's probably also available somewhere else totally for free. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not being sarcastic here. I am serious. And I'm not telling you to scam people. This is a legitimate way of making money with AI. The information available on the internet for free is scattered and unorganized. So you as a value provider combine all of that information in one place for your customers. So you're not really charging them for the information. You're not charging them for something that they can get for free. You are actually charging them for the time and effort that you saved them. Now they won't have to look up everything themselves. Or maybe you can teach them something in an easier, more interactive way. Or just translate information. Like there's a great ChatGPT course you found, but it's in English. You can translate that to Hindi or some other regional language for your customers. And boom, you just provided value to the person that's consuming that information. And now you have full right to charge them. So that's all for today. This information that I gave you, you could have found it somewhere else. But if you think that I saved you time and effort by compressing it in a video form, I would really appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe for more value-packed content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.